Hello, Integrity First. This is Greg Kennicott, your Director of Technology, here to walk you through how to change the name of your printers once they've been attached to your computer. As we saw in our last video, the setup process is fairly easy. One of the downsides is that it automatically names the printer after its model number, which is not super useful in day-to-day use. So we will be looking at how to change that into something a little more practical. Windows 11 users, this process will look a little bit different on your operating system. Mac users, we have a different video for this purpose. Please go and check that one out. So on your Windows device, we will open up the Start menu. We will find this little gear icon for settings, and we will open up Settings. Win 11 users, you will also want to find your settings. It should be pretty easy, also there in the Start menu. Once this opens up, we will do a quick search for printers. The very first option in these search results is printers and scanners, and that's the one that we want. So we'll go ahead and give it a click. On your printer list, after you've added in the Office printers, you will see IR-ADV, C5250, and C5255. If you don't know already, you're never going to figure out which one of these is which one, so we're going to change that right now. Starting with the C5250, we will give that a click, and then click this Manage button right here in the middle. Once this new window pops open, we will come down here to Printer Properties, which will open up a new window where we can delete and rename this printer. The 5250 is the one in the outside the training room, so we will call this training room printer. Feel free, of course, to name this whatever you'd like to name it. It is your computer, it's your environment, so give it something that you'll remember. I find that just being on the nose about it is probably the easiest way to go. Once you've named it whatever you'd like it to be named, click OK down here, the back button there in the window, and now we see that it is called Training Room Printer. We will do the same thing for the 5255, so we click on the device, we click the Manage button, and then we click Printer Properties. Now the 5255 is the printer that is in our mailroom, so again I call it Mailroom Printer. Call it whatever you like. We'll click OK, we'll click the back key, and now we see we have Mailroom Printer. So these have now been renamed to something more useful. You can find them in your print dialog. If it doesn't show up immediately, choose the See More or View Additional or whatever it's called option in the drop-down menu you get while going to the printer select, and that should do you. If there's any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know. If you have any other issues, never hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much.